Right now, we're seeing an intriguing spike in agriculture sentiment at plus 0.35, with momentum at plus 0.46. This is notable because it's a sharp contrast to our historical baseline, where sentiment typically hovers closer to neutral. The current sentiment indicates that there's a growing optimism in the sector, which could signal emerging opportunities or shifts in consumer behavior. With our API, you can easily access this nuanced data, receiving not just sentiment scores, but also insights across 20 semantic clusters, allowing you to pinpoint specific trends and sentiments driving this change. Imagine leveraging this data to optimize your crop planning and market strategies, ensuring you're aligned with the latest sentiments in the agriculture sector. Ready to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.